What is the name of this plant? Marigold. What is the name? Can you tell me? Yeah, what is this? We are filling the soil, is it? No? What we did in this? Soil filling.
Soil filling.
Yeah, now you plant it. All right. What is the name of this plant? Do you know?
The jasmine plant.
No, this is not marigold. This is petunia.
Petunia plant.
Yeah. What is the name of this?
Petunia plant.
Petunia. All right. So now you remove the petunia from the pot. All right. Okay. You put in this. Right. Now you fill up the soil. Who is your best friend? Who? What is his name? What is his name? Huh? Abdullah. Give to Abdullah. And just give the clap, you know. Abdullah, say thanks to him. Do you know what is this?
This one.
Yeah.
This is a green tree plant.
Okay. And what shape it is? This is a bonsai we call.
Bonsai.
Yeah, it's very old tree, you know. It's very old tree.
It's an old tree. Okay?
Yeah, an old tree. And
Old
we trim and make this shape actually, you know.
Okay.
This is we call bonsai.
Bonsai. Okay.
Yeah, this one is bonsai, this one is bonsai, this one is bonsai. The
Okay.
ficus bonsai it is. Now I'll tell you, this is the Christmas, especially
Christmas.
for the Christmas.
For next month.
Yeah. Poinsettia.
Poinsettia.
Yeah. All
Okay.
right. And this is different color you will get, a different
Red,
color.
green, black.
Yeah. Black, not black.
No, red and green.
Cream is there and the pink also there, you know.
Yellow.
Yeah. You know what is the name of this tree? Come on. What is the name of this tree? Bamboo. Okay, very good. Clap for him. No? That's very nice.
What does the plant need to grow big?
With a watering can
With
Uh-huh.
water. Huh.
Okay.
and with
Fert-
rain also.
With soil.
Soil,
Soil,
fertilizer.
fertilizer, rain also.
Yeah. Thank you to Jenny Flowers
Jenny flowers
and Fine City.
and fine city.
Is it? And it was very nice to Mustafa, and thank you so much Fine City and Jenny Flowers. See you next time with the flower arrangement. But today was the great day, is it? Na? And Al Noor Special Noor made this morning us too happy and you also happy. Okay, it was an amazing morning.
It gives joy to the heart.
Yes, all right.
Yes, to the heart.
And now we are moving to the school back and say thank you and bye-bye to everybody. Say bye, everybody. All right, okay.